What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. I'll give y'all an update here in a minute, let you know how I'm doing after last week. Give you some new information about the new COVID numbers here in Cambodia, and some other stuff to go right along with it. But first, it's a new month. Happy July 4th to everybody out there back in the United States. Independence Day. Get a 3-day weekend. Celebrate with barbecues and beer. Very good for you. But first, I want to say that if you want to help support the channel, there are several ways you can do so. First, you can buy one of my books. All the links for all of them are in the description below. I have my book of short horror stories that just came out, The Things That Happen at Night. That's only $3. I have my book, Live in Cambodia, a guide for living in the Kingdom of Wonder. That's only $5. And a book called A Big Book of Weird Top 10 Lists, which is just as the title implies, and that's only $3. So you can do that. Alternately, if you want to support the channel in a more direct way, you can send me a donation. I always appreciate my supporters, people that donate. It means a lot to me every time. You know I love you guys. Because if you do that, not only will I send you a copy of my book, but you'll also be put on the list and receive all my exclusive weekly content as well. There's links down below for PayPal and Ko-Fi.com. Just donate through there. You'll get your book. You'll be put on my list. You start receiving all my exclusive videos and other things throughout the week. Just for you guys as a way of saying thank you. Hopefully we can reach our goal this month, $350. I think we can make it happen. Now let's get on with the video. All right, so down here by the river, of course, we're going to be spending a lot of time down here. And if you are a supporter of mine, you should have got an email for your exclusive weekly video a couple days ago, and you will know why. I explained it all to my awesome supporters. But we'll be down here a lot. I'll be showing you some more of the area and things like that. But as you know, it was a week and a couple days when I got hit by the truck. And I do want to say right off the bat, I do feel a lot better than I did in the first few days. Because that was like, I couldn't roll over in bed, I couldn't sit up, I couldn't... you know, all these rooms over here, they have a little step to go up into the bathroom. Some are higher than others, and I realized how high ours was just by trying to get my left leg up, because it was all swollen and bruised and didn't want to bend the way it should, you know. But I do feel a lot better, but now it's just, you know, my inside parts are settling down from that, and I still don't have full movement in my left arm and shoulder, especially. It's still kind of bruised and looks messed up there, but that's feeling a lot better. And my leg went from just those sharp pains, I guess you can say, to you know, now it's just like a dull ache, a dull throbbing ache, I guess you can say. Get your mind out of the gutter. I'm talking about my leg, my knee. So yeah, but I still don't feel like walking around long distances, so that's why I didn't put another video out until today. But yeah, but overall, hey, I survived, doing good, everything's fine, and all that good happy jazz. And I do want to say that a few days ago, I read an article that talked about new COVID cases in Cambodia. The consensus was it's been almost 2 months since they've had a reported case. And now they're finding a bunch in spurts at the borders. I think 10 on one day, 8 the next day. And so an article came out that said that they were going to start randomly testing people for COVID, rapid tests at the borders. And that quickly got out of hand to people saying some stuff like, oh, this is just the first step. We're going to go back into lockdown, and they're going to close the borders again. Everybody get ready. The scorched earth mentality of some people. But that's not the case. They're just going to be giving rapid tests to people at the borders if they exhibit any symptoms of what could possibly be COVID. So if your temperature is above 37 degrees Celsius, if you have a cough, if you have a fever, if you're sick in any way, they'll take you aside, give you a rapid test. If that's a positive test, then they will also give you a, this looks like a dead end, but they'll also give you a CPR test, because there is a 20% chance that you get a false negative from a rapid test or thereabouts. So they'll do a PCR test to verify. Now, if the PCR test comes back negative, or if your rapid test comes back negative, no problems, free to go. No other restrictions, as always. So yeah, it's not as bad as some people try to make it out to be. It's just the way they've been recording some new cases. They don't want to get in the position again where they're, panicking, or where the numbers are going to get really high and let that get out of control. But then again, there's something like 313,000, I think the number was, of people in Cambodia who's already received their 5th vaccine, actually. They've already received their 3rd booster on top of the original. So, yeah, there's not a big panic about that. You hate to see the new cases pop up again after 2 months of not having any. But nip it in the bud now, so it doesn't get out of control, and everything's good. I mean, hopefully. I can't predict the future. I'm not a psychic. But on the same day I read that article, I also read that they are in talks now to, in this part of the world, I'm not sure if it's just Cambodia or other countries here as well, but downgrading COVID from a pandemic to an endemic. So even though they're taking these new cases seriously, they're not panicking or anything. They're just encouraging people to do what they've been doing. Follow the 3 do's and the 3 don'ts, If you think you have symptoms, go in, get a test done. They'll let you recover at home. So no big deal. So anyway, that's all the news coming out of Cambodia. And second Live's having issues with the door.
I know.
Yeah. Hang on, I should help her. Just a minute. All right, crisis averted. There was a chain wrapped around the little doorknob there, and when we closed it, it got caught in the door, so we had to borrow a knife from a neighbor and opened it up, if you will. But anyway, I thought I'd take this time to also show you guys why we'll be spending a lot of time here by the river, because we moved. That's right, a couple days ago we moved into a new place. I explained all that to my supporters in the video a couple days ago. But we're really close to Kelly, Mr. Autumn in Asia. His channel link is down below. As a matter of fact, he lives right there in that building, right up there, actually. So very close, and which is nice, real close to downtown. Nice big tree. That fruit up there is called, I believe she said it was knout. But not sure what that is, but we have a knout tree. But we got one of these places here. I like it. It's $50. And I like these doors here. They're not the traditional doors, you know. They're the big glass ones that slide open and do all that. Ooh, let's go inside. There we go. Got this nice little wardrobe here with the fox brick wallpaper or sticky stuff to make it look like brick. That's pretty cool. I like that. Of course, we got the wall fan. It's big enough for our needs. Yeah, it's got enough space, I think. It's a single I really put it all together. We didn't have much to begin with. Of course, in my other video, I showed you guys, you know, all the moving process before we left and how we got there and everything. But it's got the bedroom. And by the way, just to let you know, this bed is very comfortable. Unlike the bed in our last place wasn't bad, but it's kind of thin. The mattress was thin. Sometimes you could feel the planks that kept the bed together when you were sleeping. This one's really nice and soft and spongier. I like it. And of course, we got a little kitchen area here, you know. Yeah, a place to hang your pots and pans. All these screens got windows, which is really good because you can keep that front door open over there. Then you can open up a window, open up those curtains. There's another window, and then this one now here. And they all have screens in them. That's the best part. You hardly ever see screens in the windows here, so we don't have to worry about mosquitoes at night or any other bugs. Look at it. It's a screen that's not ripped or tore. That's pretty cool. And in there is it's a bathroom. Nothing much to see in there. It's got a toilet. It's got a shower. And it's got a shelf with a mirror. You know, put your toiletries, and so you can look at yourself after you've showered, I guess. Guess that's what it would be. But anyway, yeah. It's $50 a month. We're really close to downtown, closer to everybody we'd like to go visit and see. And it's all right. Whether we're going to stay here longer than a month, I don't know. We were talking about getting this just for a month and then taking that time to find something more agreeable. But right now, we're both pretty much agreed that this place is cool. We don't need a lot of space. We don't have a lot of stuff. So, yeah, who knows? You never know. The good thing about Cambodia, though, is that you have that option. Stay here for a month if you don't like it, and then you can find another room. Or if you wind up liking it, stay as long as you want. As long as you pay every month, you're good to go. So, yeah, but she's got it set up real nice. I like it. All right. Well, be sure to check out all my links down below. Like I said, if you want to help support the channel, donate through PayPal or Ko-Fi.com. Those links are down below, and you'll get copies of my books and, like I said, my weekly exclusive videos and other content that I send out to my supporters each week. Or you can buy copies of my book down below individually. If you want to do it that way, that's fine. The site I use, they take, you know, the standard payments, or you can use PayPal. And that's always a good option if you'd rather do it that way. Also down below are links to other channels vlogging from this part of the world. Give all them a look. They're all really good, really awesome. You'll learn a lot, and you'll get to see more things on their channels as well. And also my channel, Horror Reads. If you like horror books reviewed and discussed, I put up a new video every 2 or 3 days on that channel. And if that's your thing, feel free to subscribe to that as well. All right. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe if you have not, and I will talk to you in the next one.